Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to send files from phone on ASUS VivoBook Pro. So first, open the browser and type in PairDrop and click enter. Open the PairDrop. Now click in here in the top right corner and scan the QR code on your phone. Now open it, and as you can see, here is my phone. So on my phone, I just click the computer, and now I can send the photos and videos. So I click that and send a random photo. And as you can see, here it is. You can accept it or decline. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.